Yes guys, and welcome to this FIZ wireless follow focus review by SmallRig, and it is a focus iris zoom follow focus with a 300-meter range. It's very low latency in my tests, and it has Bluetooth record for Sony, Canon and Nikon cameras and wired control for all of the other cameras. Looking at the main unit now, it's a very nicely constructed unit that fits nicely in the hand. The small wheel can be adapted to a larger wheel for more precise follow focus, and it works amazing, so easy to use. This is the main focus motor here, a nice futuristic shape. And then we have a NATO clamp which connects to the control, and that can be clamped to any part of your cage that has a NATO rail. We also have a SmallRig battery plate that connects to the motor, and this is a genius move in my opinion. In the box there's also a few other accessories like a 15mm rod, some lens gears and a USB-C to USB-C cable. The record button on the controller is also a power button, so you press and hold that down and the unit turns on rather quickly. The OLED display is bright, it's large and easy to read. Really like looking at this, and it's a big improvement over my previous follow focus. In the settings we have a lot of different settings here, so we can change the colour of the LED so you can see your markings in the night. We have the direction of the wheel, we have Bluetooth control to connect to cameras, and we can change the screen as well. We can flip it up and down, so that is amazing as well. And we can also calibrate the motor from here. Calibrating is very easy. You literally just double tap or single tap on the buttons and just press the set button again and you can calibrate. The same goes for the markings. The manual is very easy to read, there's not much in there, it's not a steep learning curve, so it's very easy to use. On the motor there's a record USB-C and a power USB-C, and the input is 7.4 volts. On the rear side we have two buttons which act as power buttons and control buttons when you're going through the menu, and you can see all of your menu options on the OLED display on the motor as well. You can power this by D-tap from a V-mount battery, via power delivery from a power bank, and also using the supplied SmallRig MPF plate which I showed you earlier. And connecting this is very easy, just slots in and it's locked in place. And then just put your MPF 550 on. And I used it and this lasted me for hours. The voltage was still very high even though I shot the full day with it, and it's a really nice thing to have because I have so many MPF batteries and I'm sure you do too. Amazing design. As I said before, calibrating start and end points is very easy. With these hard stop gears from 3D Focus, they work extremely well on photo lenses. Really enjoy using this, and I really wanted a setup that was easy to do. It has to be quick, otherwise I'm just not interested. If you want to do an auto calibration, just press and hold the down button on the focus motor and hold it for about 3 seconds, and you can see the timer countdown, and then it will auto calibrate. So we have the start point, and then we have the end point, and we are done. Easy as that, guys. We can also do a manual calibration as well. So if you press and hold down the button again and wait until the auto starts, then press the down button again, and then you'll see a little hand pop up. That means we're in manual calibration now. So now we can just turn our lens one way, press the down button again, turn it back to end it, and press the down button again, and it's calibrated. So easy. So now we're going to do a latency test, because one of the problems you have when you're using a wireless follow focus is latency, but I'm pleased to say that the low latency which they described is very low. It moves so quick, it's so responsive. There's literally a millisecond before it starts to move when you turn the handle. I really love this, because using follow focus before, this wasn't the case, so I was really pleased to see that the follow focus latency is great. As you can see on my pdmovie live air, it's good, but then you can just see a delay sometimes when I turn the wheel, and that can put you in serious trouble. So because of that, I prefer to use manual follow focus, but the SmallRig is great. So I decided to take this out and test it like I would do in a proper shoot, just to see how it would work. So me and my friend, we went out and created a little small art piece that we wanted to show you. And I thought it'd be a good test to, you know, test the follow focus, see how it is in built up areas, in businesses and stuff like that. I'm going to show you this movie now and you can let me know what you think of it.
Art is all around us. Art is subjective. If you follow your focus, you shall discover all the beauty within it.
So that's it guys, I'm amazed by this follow focus. It is absolutely amazing, and using it with all of my different cameras with the clip-on gear rings or the gear rings which I have made, it is absolutely amazing. Connecting the handle to a gimbal, no problem at all there as well, can use a supplied handle, but overall I'm really pleased with this SmallRig follow focus. So guys, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and I'll see you on the next one. Later.